Hi, welcome to Thaber. Thaber is an innovative service that replaces the common used paper exams with a digital one, giving Syrian students a better evaluation process and adding a great value to the entire Syrian educational system. Thaber allows schools to build its own exams and correct them in an automated way, and allows students to take quizzes and exams smoothly and get the results instantly. It is very easy to get started, but a quick tour can help you get the most out of our tool and make sure you don't miss anything. To start, just go to the Exams section in your dashboard, click on Add Exam. In the new exam interface, select the course, add exam name, select duration and date, then select the subgrades that will take this exam, then click Save. Now you can review the exam data. In order to set the exam questions, move to Questions tab, click Questions Edit.
You can choose between several different questions types: multiple choices, one choice, numeric, and article.
Let's add a question of type multiple choices. The question can be only text or text and image. Let's write the question text, then the answer options, and select the right choice. You can set properties for this question: randomize answers, question mark, and the expected time. Now click Save. Now let's move to Settings tab. Here you can set the general properties for the exam, permit questions navigation, close the exam at the end of time, randomize questions order, restrict exit before halftime, question mark, question time, and randomize answers. Now, we have completed the process of building the exam. In order to make this exam available for students to take, navigate to Apply for Exam, then Manage Exam Sessions, select the exam, and start a new exam session. Select the subgrades you wanted to take the exam. Now the exam has started in subgrade 1, and the student has to start his exam immediately through his interface. As a student, log into your account. Oh, you have an exam to take. Click Start and solve the questions through this easy interface. When you finish, you click Finish Exam, and you'll find your score instantly and the correction of your answers. While the students are taking the exam, you, as a teacher, can manage the exam session. You can review the session info, the students' count, and their details, login time, number of correct and wrong answers, and the student status. You can also close the session for a particular student. And you can review a student's data and his answers. Finally, you close the exam session. So, We've seen Thaber process for building and taking an exam.